I needed storage, so I bought storage from Ikea. It was the best place to go at the time because nowhere else had ready to put together pieces like Ikea. I got the carcass and I started putting everything together. It was daunting at first, but when I read the instructions again, I realized it wasn't that hard. It was a joy to put things together. As long as you got the carcass ready, you're ready to go. And I got the rest of the bits together. It wasn't hard at all. I thought it was, but it wasn't that hard. I was so proud of myself when I got to this bit, because then the drawers were going in. I decided to do it the next day because I was tired by then. I wanted to have a clear head when I put things together. When I got to this part, I said to myself, I'm home dry. Last, it's over. I've done it. Unfortunately, I should have photographed it when I finished, but I didn't. But there it is.